Well, hello everybody. I'm Kyle and Adam's behind the camera today. We actually brought pretty much a water hydrant out to the property where last night Adam had put some stuff in, and he was really thinking we were going to get some rain, but unfortunately we didn't get that rain. So Adam had a connection that we were able to use. More or less, it's a 500-gallon tank connected to a motor that pushes the water out. So we use it there. How much should we go through? About 100 gallon.
Yeah.
And that's all that was in the tank. If there would have been more, we would have been able to use more. But what we were able to get, we think is going to turn out to be pretty important, because there's not a whole lot of rain in the forecast at the moment. So we had to bring the rain to the plots today. And you guys will see some footage here of it in action. It's pretty darn cool. You know what we could have done too, Adam?
Yeah.
We could have hooked up to this bottom nozzle and duct that's left in the bottom there. Right here. I think if you take that off there and hook to here, then it comes out of this one. And I mean, I don't know how much is in there. There's probably maybe what, 13 to 25 gallon at the bottom.
Oh, there's 50 gallons still.
Okay. If we hook up to that other nozzle, we might be able to do that. I don't know if that's what it's intended for, but that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
And we might.
Raining. This is how we spray our food plots when we don't have rain. We got a water buffalo for my baseball field, and I just happen to be using it for some recreational use here at the property. Kyle on the hose. Great stuff. We were supposed to get rain. I just put urea on this yesterday, and we didn't get the rain, so here I am. Yeah, buddy. One way to do it, bring the old garden hose with a 500-gallon water tank. I mean, everybody has one laying around, right?
They call this making your own rain.
That's right, we're making it rain, all right. We destroyed our freaking trailer, though. No, we didn't destroy it, we just screwed up the thing that, what's it called?
I don't know.
Thing that you hold it, you take it off the trailer to put it on the ground.
I told you I'm not a trailer guy, or I'd know stuff like that. I know it's not a hitch. I do know that much. Man, that thing is badass though. And look how much water it's pushing through.
Pretty cool.
Do you want me to? We have a fire. We're firemen now.
We are firemen. Yeah, we did some stupid too. We kind of messed up our post on our hitch.
Post, yes.
So what do you think of this thing, Bishy?
It's pretty awesome. I mean, you could get 500 gallons of water anywhere you'd need it. And with the lack of rain we've had recently, it came in handy for us today.